So while we are creating EC2, we have seen that AMI is Amazon Machine Image. It is nothing but the operating system we need to choose for our application. See what operating system and what software do you want on the instance. So depending on the application, we need to choose the operating system. So there are three AMI resources where we can choose our operating system. First, which is provided by the AWS, and second is the AWS Marketplace, online store for customizing AMIs. It requires our for billing and customized AMIs created by you. So we'll see this all three in AWS. Now we can see that these are all which are provided by the AWS, Amazon Linux, Red Hat, Linux, we want to Red Hat. So we can also search Windows in order we want to use Windows. So Windows. So these are provided by AWS. So another we have discussed is that Amazon Marketplace. So these are the marketplace where other companies place their operating system. So we can see Splunk, Fortinet, Cisco. So these are all paid ones. So another is the communities AMIs, which is created by community like Microsoft, Ubuntu, AWS. So these are all the resources provided by the community AMIs. So exam point of view, we need to remember three things. One provided by AWS, one is AWS Marketplace, another is the community AMIs, where we can choose our operating system. Now we'll discuss about EC2 concept, instant families. So while we are creating EC2 instance, so first step is to choose AMI, and the second step we need to choose is the instant family. Said that it is like a hardware, like we need to choose CPU, GPU, memory, disk, and networking for specific workloads. So there are around 270 plus instances across 40 plus types for different workloads. So there are MCRING. M stands for the general purpose. We can use this for general applications. So C4, C5, C5N, these are compute optimized. So we use this whenever we want to do computing based performance. So for that we use compute optimized C4, C5, C5N, and R. R is nothing but the RAM, memory optimized. Whenever we want to store the cache information, for that we need to use more RAM. For that we use R. I is nothing but the storage input output optimize, where we able to use our input and output devices. For that we use storage. And G stands for G4, GPU optimize and graphic processing. So if your application contains the graphic processing, then you can use GPU, G3 or G4. So these are all about the instant families.